The Gorilla Cart's GORMP-12 steel dump cart is a transportation tool that makes moving and unloading supplies around the yard seems effortless when working on gardening and landscaping projects. Made of steel with a steel mesh bed and gray powder-coated frame finish, the cart's removable sides allow this multi-use cart to convert into a flatbed cart. The GORMP-12 Gorilla Cart saves time and reduces fatigue by allowing the user to move up to 1,200 pounds of supplies around the yard and features a patented quick-release dump design to make unloading fast and easy. The 13-inch pneumatic turf tires, 5/8-inch diameter axle, and straight padded pull handle are designed to tackle any terrain and make this dump cart easy to move even when hauling heavy dirt, mulch, gravel, or plants. The patented D-shaped handle design also allows your cart to hooked up and towed behind a lawn tractor or ATV. The bed dimensions measure 39.5 inches, length, by 22 inches, height, by 11.25 inches, width, has an overall height of 24 inches, and weighs 82.5 pounds. Gorilla Cart's full line of products meets the needs of the light-duty homeowner as well as the commercial-duty professional user by offering a wide variety of sizes and weight capacity carts. The Gorilla Cart's GORMP-12 steel dump cart comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Tricam is a leading consumer products company that continues to lead the industry with innovative, patented designs throughout its entire product line. Tricam-S products include household step stools, lawn and garden carts, replacement tires, and tire tubes. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? This Gorilla Cart's multi-use cart with 1,200 pounds. Load capacity is built to do it all. The patented dumping feature allows for easy unloading of dirt, rocks, mulch, logs, or anything else you need to haul, and the quick-release handle is easy to use and minimizes strain. The removable sides allow the cart to be used as a flatbed cart, and the heavy-duty 13-inch turf tires are able to handle any terrain. An exclusive 2-in-1 handle allows the cart to easily be pulled by hand, or quickly converts to be pulled behind a lawn tractor. This is the perfect alternative to a wheelbarrow and a great mix of steel cart durability and dumps cart functionality. With industrial-grade steel construction that's over 40% thicker than the competition, this cart is all you need for the lawn, garden, farm, or barn. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.